All right, so you've purchased one of these rails. How do you install it? I'm going to take the MOS rail cover off. Then you're going to take 2 of the screws that came in this kit right here. What I do is I clean them with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Make sure you take all the oil off of them. Right. You can see there's already some blue Loctite on them. A little dab of blue Loctite. Place the rail where it goes. Going to grab the screws and torque them down and tight. Clean off any excess of the Loctite that you might have there. And you're good to go. And then you can just go ahead and install your optic on it. In this case, this is an Aimpoint H1. And tight. And you are ready to go. And zero your red dot. There it is. That's it. That's simple.